So yung guys, it's already 8 PM na guys. Tulog na tayo guys. May pasok pa bukas. Good night. See you next morning.
Tomorrow.
Ayun na guys, good morning. Papasok na tayo. Time check. It's already 5 AM. 8. Ayan guys, samahan nyo ko magsasaing. Magluluto na tayo guys. Para kumain. Pangbaon na rin natin. Guys, 7 o'clock na guys, maliligo na tayo.
Later.
So, ayun guys,
Wow.
nakabihis na tayo guys.
Sana all.
Sobrang init guys. Kanap tayong tricycle. Nakarating pa tayo ng mga 20 minutes. Matatagalan pa tayong naghahanap dito. Walang tricycle oh.